Good afternoon, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. It is Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. And today I'm going to be unboxing an Emerson Northwind Designer Series. This is I've already tested this fan, but it still is in its original box. It has its printed in Taiwan on October of 1990. So here's the owner's manual. There's that little, this is in gunmetal black with the gloss black blades. Motor. Actually going to turn on the other lights. Hopefully that will illuminate things a little better for you. Okay, then we have the upper canopy. Switch housing with Emerson symbol. I was smart, I put everything into a Ziploc bag. Well done, Mark, well done. Okay, then I have the mounting bracket. And blade irons. Okay. And here's the box. It is CF755PT. Made in Taiwan, ROC. And, so this, there's no email addresses or websites listed on here, so it's definitely an oldish fan, like 30 whatever years old. So anyway, I'm going to install it. I'm going to put it all together and get it installed. So see you on the next video. Stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.